In the teachings of Buddhism, the art of being respected while embodying quietness is not merely a skill. It's a profound understanding of self and others. Respect, in its truest essence, isn't earned through loud proclamations or brash actions. It's cultivated through humility, patience, and a deep-seated understanding of human nature. Let's delve into the spiritual teachings of Buddhism to illuminate the path of earning respect while embracing silence. 1. Be humble. Humility is the cornerstone of respect. In Buddhism, it's not about projecting superiority, but rather recognizing the interconnectedness of all beings. Embrace the virtue of humility. Acknowledge your strengths without boasting and accept your flaws with grace. Through this quiet confidence, you radiate a serene aura that commands respect without uttering a word. Humility is a quality that bridges the gap between self-awareness and compassion. In Buddhism, it is considered a cornerstone of spiritual development. As you navigate the path of earning respect while being quiet, humility becomes a guiding light, shaping your interactions with others. Buddhism teaches that humility is not a self-deprecating virtue, but a profound acknowledgement of one's place in the interconnected web of existence. In embracing humility, you recognize that your journey is interwoven with the journeys of others, fostering a sense of shared humanity. Humility invites you to acknowledge your imperfections without dwelling on them. In the quiet spaces within, confront your flaws with a sense of grace and a commitment to personal growth. By doing so, you not only demonstrate self-awareness, but also create an environment where others feel safe to embrace their own vulnerabilities. To make people respect you while being quiet, embody humility by acknowledging the contributions of others. Avoid boasting about personal achievements and cultivate an attitude of gratitude. In doing so, you create an aura of approachability and openness that naturally draws respect. 2. Listen actively. The art of active listening is a treasure trove in human interactions. As a quiet individual, your attentive presence speaks louder than words. By genuinely listening to others, you convey respect for their thoughts and feelings. In Buddhism, this practice is akin to deepening your understanding of the world and fostering compassion for others' experiences. In Buddhism, mindfulness is the practice of being fully present in the moment. As you actively listen, embody this mindfulness. Let go of distractions, judgments, and the impulse to formulate responses while the other person speaks. By doing so, you honor the present moment and demonstrate respect for the person sharing their thoughts with you. To make people respect you when you're quiet, master the art of listening. Be present in the moment, maintain eye contact, and refrain from interrupting. Your ability to absorb and understand others' words will not only strengthen your connections, but also command respect. 3. Demonstrate patience. Patience isn't merely the ability to wait. It's a virtue that emanates inner strength. In moments of silence and restraint, you showcase a profound understanding of the rhythms of life. Buddhism teaches that patience is not passive. It's a resilient force that enables you to navigate challenges with grace and dignity, earning respect through your composed demeanor. In the teachings of Buddhism, patience is one of the paramitas, or transcendent virtues. It is the ability to endure difficulties, both external and internal, with a calm and collected mind. Patience is not a passive resignation, but an active choice to respond to life's challenges with wisdom and equanimity. Patience is closely intertwined with the concept of equanimity. As you navigate the ups and downs of life with a tranquil mind, you cultivate an inner balance that remains undisturbed by external circumstances. This equanimity radiates from your quiet demeanor, inspiring respect from those who observe your unshakable poise. Practice patience by avoiding hasty judgments, especially when misunderstood. Give people the opportunity to recognize your strengths and let your actions speak louder than words. In the tranquil reservoir of patience, respect will naturally find its way to you. 4. Cultivate equanimity. As a quiet individual, maintaining emotional balance amidst chaos is a testament to your inner strength. Buddhism emphasizes the practice of equanimity, where neither success nor failure disturbs your peace. Through this, you inspire respect by embodying stability and unwavering composure. Equanimity, in Buddhist philosophy, is a state of mental and emotional stability, marked by composure and even-mindedness. It is the ability to face the dualities of life, success and failure, pleasure and pain, with a balanced mind, free from attachment and aversion. As a quiet seeker of respect, the practice of equanimity becomes a silent but powerful force. Cultivating equanimity does not imply indifference. It is a mindful detachment from the outcomes of your actions, recognizing that the only constant in life is change. In the face of success, your quiet celebration remains humble. In the face of failure, your equanimity prevents despair. 5. Be generous. Generosity isn't limited to material possessions. It extends to the generosity of spirit. As a quiet soul, offer kindness, compassion, and understanding to those around you. In Buddhism, generosity is a way of opening your heart to others, fostering a sense of interconnectedness that garners respect and admiration. True generosity knows no conditions. Your quiet strength allows you to give without expecting praise or reciprocation. This selfless giving becomes a beacon of inspiration, challenging societal norms that often equate recognition with the value of an action. Engage in small, spontaneous acts of kindness without expecting acknowledgement. Let the joy of giving be its own reward. In your quiet way, allocate time to support others. Whether through volunteering or simply being present for someone in need, your time becomes a valuable gift. Approach interactions with a compassionate heart. Your quiet understanding and empathy contribute to a culture of kindness and respect. In the realm of quiet strength, generosity becomes a silent force that binds hearts and uplifts spirits. Through your unspoken acts of kindness, you embody the teachings of Buddhism, fostering a sense of interconnected respect that transcends the superficial and material. May your generosity, like a gentle breeze, touch the lives of those around you, leaving behind a trail of warmth and admiration. Be generous with your empathy, understanding, and forgiveness. In the quiet spaces between words, let your deeds speak volumes. When people witness your generosity, they will naturally gravitate towards you with respect and appreciation. 6. Respect others' views. Silence does not equate to indifference. It's a canvas for understanding diverse perspectives. In the teachings of Buddhism, honoring others' viewpoints is crucial. Embrace the richness of different opinions without the need for vocal disagreement. Your respectful demeanor toward differing beliefs and ideas embodies the essence of tolerance and earns admiration. Respecting others' views doesn't necessarily mean agreement. Your quiet strength allows you to disagree silently, without the need for confrontations or debates. However, your commitment to understanding the perspectives of others speaks volumes. It demonstrates a maturity that transcends the need to prove oneself right at the expense of another's dignity. When others express their views, practice deep listening without immediately formulating counterarguments. Seek to understand before seeking to be understood. In your quiet interactions, look for common ground that unites rather than divides. Emphasize shared values and goals that foster unity. Actively encourage diverse voices in conversations. Your quiet support can create an inclusive environment where everyone feels valued. The thread of honoring diverse perspectives contributes to a vibrant and interconnected world. Through your quiet commitment to respect, you become a catalyst for unity, bridging gaps, and fostering an environment where the beauty of diverse viewpoints is not only acknowledged but celebrated. May your silent embrace of differences inspire a world where respect flourishes amidst the tapestry of human understanding. 7. Encourage others. Your quiet presence holds the potential to inspire and uplift. In Buddhism, the act of encouragement is a form of compassionate action. Support others through your actions, offering silent yet profound guidance that empowers them to grow. Your gentle encouragement fosters an environment of respect and appreciation. The path to earning respect while being quiet isn't about changing who you are, but embracing the profound teachings of Buddhism. Through humility, active listening, patience, equanimity, generosity, respect for others' views, and encouragement, you become a beacon of quiet strength and earn the respect that transcends words. Encouragement, at its core, is rooted in the belief that individuals have the capacity to overcome challenges and achieve their aspirations. Your quiet strength allows you to convey this belief without the need for grand declarations. In your interactions, the unspoken message of "I believe in you" becomes a guiding light for those navigating their own journeys. Encouraging others creates a positive and harmonious atmosphere. Your quiet demeanor becomes a beacon of support, and people will respect the authenticity and warmth that emanates from your being. May these teachings illuminate your journey and empower you to command respect through the beauty of silence and spiritual understanding. In the quiet corridors of Buddhist teachings, we discover a wealth of wisdom on how to make people respect us, even if we choose a path of silence. The lessons of humility, active listening, patience, equanimity, generosity, respect for diverse views, and encouragement are the threads that weave together a tapestry of quiet strength. As you embark on this journey, remember that respect earned through quiet strength is enduring and profound. By embodying these principles, you not only enhance your personal growth, but also contribute to the creation of a more compassionate and respectful world. May the teachings of Buddhism guide you on the path to earning respect through the eloquence of your silence.